maybe getting too Deleuzian here, but I feel that like capital has sort of deterritorialized our sort of traditional relationships with territory, with land, with local existence and shared history. Through globalization, through like the ability to move anywhere and for capital to go anywhere mostly. And so now we're at a point where people, just as humans, still have this desire for kinship and community, but the institutions that sort of govern over them don't fit kind of like the deterritorialized space now of what they're declaring their sovereignty over, that so people are being coerced into. So there's this huge contradiction for people. And yeah, so I guess like crypto is this interesting potential for institutional scaffolding. And Balaji, I think, was like one attempt, although he probably, I don't know if he agrees with exactly this reasoning or like this trajectory as to what caused this situation, but it's perhaps an attempt at trying to reconcile those things.
I think it's good that you mentioned sort of like crypto and these new forms of organizing. There are two things that makes me think of. One is that we were actually talking the other day about the fact that we were surprised that despite sort of the network state book being situated very much in a kind of like modern technological landscape and being written by somebody who's embedded in Silicon Valley and the venture capital world and technology, that it doesn't actually really look deeply at the ways in which technology is kind of able to be instrumented for new forms of organizing.
Right. And that's what's so frustrating.
It's a bit, not only is it frustrating, but it is perhaps central to what is different about these new national-like identities, which is that they are, I mean, among other things, obviously you have this kind of networked coordination and communication that is enabling this production of identity and shared belonging. As a result, it's not inherited. It's something that people are actually finding each other and kind of co-creating.